Good morning, everybody. This is the dashboard. This morning we're headed out to Trout River Memorial Park for the Cruisin to the Creek car show. And I've never been out to this car show before. I've heard it's a big car show. I've heard it's the biggest car show in the area. So I figured I'd go check it out. It's kind of a little on the dreary side this morning, kind of cloudy and overcast. It's supposed to rain today, so that may cut us a little short down there. Cut me short, I'll put it that way. It starts raining, I start heading for the barn. So anyway, it's a little bit of a busy weekend for me. Actually, it's going to be a busy couple of weeks now. Because today I got Cruisin to the Creek. Tomorrow is the Sunday pit stop at the Orange Park Mall. Monday night is the street lights at 7-Eleven in Yulee. And then next Saturday is the Okefenokee Festival in Folkestone. Car show there. And either Friday or Sunday next weekend, I'm going up to Savannah for the Savannah Mustang show. And then the weekend after that is the 19th is the Isle of Eight Flags car show in Fernandina Beach, which is a huge car show. And I think on Sunday after that I've got Yulee Cars and Coffee. So it's going to be a busy stretch of the next 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks for me. But I'm going to go out and I'm going to take video and I'm going to take pictures. I'm going to post them all up. The videos I may have to start posting 2 a days. I'm already posting a video and a reel every day, but I may have to do 2 videos just to keep it manageable, so I'm not a month behind on videos. Because I haven't posted my North Jacksonville Baptist Church car show videos yet. I've got them done, I've got them ready to upload, I just haven't uploaded them yet because I'm still working on the previous weekend's videos. I think I just finished up those, uploading those yesterday, posting them yesterday. I seem to stay about a week and a half behind. But that's because I make so many videos out of each event to stretch it so I have a video every day. This should be a good car show. There's one of 3 going on in the area. There's one right down from it too today in Palatka. That I had thought about going to until I found out Cruisin to the Creek was on the same day. I wish these car shows could, I don't know, if you want to do it on the same day, do one in the morning, one in the afternoon or evening. I mean, in the summer, that's a better idea, do them in the evening, except for the fact that it rains, but, I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to go take some video pictures and whatnot. So stay tuned. There'll be some, I'll take a video while I'm there and, do a little roundabout, walkabout video. So, should be a good show. We'll see you shortly.
Short notice stuff, like once.
I got my first kick. Still open though. And they call it.
Yeah.
Get me back to the tank.
Yep.
Backing up. That's it, everybody. Backing up.
Get it. If it's dangerous, I mean, so I ride.
Our leader is a former Fox 27 years old sheriff.
Oh, yeah.
Right, set it and forget it.
And that's the beauty of that type of side drive carburetor. I got a 280 as well in the last 5 years ago. I got a 280.
Yeah.
Down.
Oh, yeah.
Next year.
Alright guys, so we just left the Cruisin to the Creek car show. We headed home. It's decided to start raining on us, so I packed it in. I got a little wet. But remember, I'm out here doing this for you guys. You don't have to get out here and get wet. It was a great car show. Lots and lots and lots of cars. I got as many of them as I could. I know I didn't get all of them because they were kind of packed in some spots where I couldn't get to. So, yeah, definitely will go again. It's a bit of a trek to get out here, though, I'll tell you. It's an hour and a half from my house to here. But anyway, so we'll have videos coming out the next couple days, week, I don't know. I'll get them out when I get them out at this point. But I got a lot of video. Had to turn, sorry. So we're gonna edit those together. Channel news. We are at 138 subscribers, which that's great. We've picked up, I think, 8 subscribers this last week and a half, 2 weeks, since I started putting out shorts, little short videos of the walkabouts. I'm gonna do as many of those as I can, from here on. Try to keep that up, keep keep new people finding us. So like I said, we're at 138. That's great. That's awesome. I love it. On to the calendar of events coming up. It's a kind of a packed slate coming up. Tomorrow, if weather permits, I've got the Sunday pit stop at the Orange Park Mall. And then on Monday, weather permitting again, we got the Yulee streetlights at the 7-Eleven. Those are all weather permitting because it's supposed to be raining both days, and I don't know. It depends on the weather as to whether or not I'm going to go. But I'm going to try to go. And then next weekend we got the Okefenokee Festival in Folkestone. And either Friday or Sunday, I'm going to go up to Savannah for the Savannah Mustang Club's annual show at the Savannah Convention Center. Go check them out, see what they got going on. And then the next weekend is probably the biggest show in Nassau County of the year, Nassau County, Florida. The Amelia Cruisers 8 Flags car show on Old Town Main Street, Fernandina. So I'm going to try to make it out to that one too. And then, like I said, I think on Sunday that weekend I've got Yulee Cars and Coffee. So, like I said, it's going to be busy. Oh, and after that, on the 26th the 26th, I'm going to be in St. Augustine with the Callahan Cruisers at the Adamak Harley, where they're having their trunk or treat car show. So, yeah, every weekend, pretty much both days, I've got something. So, I'm going to have a big stack up of videos that I guess I'm going to have to put 2 a days out to get them all run through and posted. But hey, at least I got something to do. At least there's plenty to do. I hate having dead weekends. There's been a couple here lately where I've had dead weekends where there's nothing to do, or I didn't want to do, or didn't want to go. So, anyway, I think that's about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check out my reels. That's a new thing I'm doing. It seems to be popular. I don't know. I mean, you tell me. So anyway, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to do all the things that tickle YouTube's pickle, as it were. And I'll see you on the next one, next weekend, or tomorrow, whichever comes first. Hey guys, so I wanted to record a little update about the scheduling for the weekend. This is Saturday night after the Cruisin to the Creek show. I checked the schedule with the guys that are organizing the Sunday pit stop Cruisin, and well, for one reason or another, we're not doing it tomorrow. So just wanted to give you guys a little heads up that that's not on the schedule anymore. We still have to wait to find out about Yulee streetlights at the 7-Eleven. It may be canceled due to weather, or it may not be. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see on that one. But since I found out about the Sunday pit stop, I figured I'd put a little video together and let you know not to expect it. Which, you know, kind of sucks, but hey, everybody's got scheduling conflicts, and I was kind of iffy about going anyway because it's supposed to be pretty rainy tomorrow morning when we were going to be doing it. Like 80% chance rain, 90% chance rain, something like that. So there's always next month. So we'll see what we see about Monday. Hopefully the rain will hold off and we can do it on Monday, but you know, there is a storm out in the Gulf that's going to be affecting our weather this coming week, so all bets are off. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know. So stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.